Hello guys, good morning. In this video I will try just to answer a question from one of my subscribers. He subscribed to some websites and some guys here online speaking about investment in dividend. Okay, dividend, what is it? It's just a profit and earnings from company that each quarter they give you certain percentage. This is a dividend. Okay, there are two kinds of stocks in the stock market. Some stocks they don't give you dividend. Other stocks they give you dividend. You ask yourself why? Why certain stocks they don't give you dividend? They don't give you from their profit. Understand that. Why? And other stocks, other companies, they give you dividend. Some they give you too much dividend. You think that it is too much. 10%, 15%, 25%. And you can have more. Okay? And you tell yourself, how all these stupid people, traders and investors, they don't buy dividend stocks. They are good. They are giving me more money than my investment. They're giving me 10%, 15, 20% of the stock price. So why some people they don't buy dividend stocks although they are good? I will answer you. I am one of those guys, stupid guys, they don't buy dividend stocks. I will tell you why. It's amazing how people they don't know, they don't have no idea how things go in the stock market. In the stock market there are professionals, they want your money. Okay? They will sell you anything for money. Whatever is this thing, crap, penny stocks, companies that they lose money each year, and some people they still buy it and they think they can make money. Okay? Now, we begin first why companies they don't give a dividend. They don't give you shares of their profit to you. Why? Because these companies they need all their money to promote their company, to invent new things and so on. Most of the internet stocks they don't give dividend. Okay? Why? Because all their money is reinvested in the company. But most of the time the price of the company is going up and up and up, and the capital gain is so nice. Okay? Try to see this. Let's say Facebook before it was 1755. Now it is in the 50s. Okay? From last year to this year, if you bought it that low or more, you can have your, let's say 1734. Okay, you can have your 150% of your money without dividend. How can they give me 10% or 50% while I can have 150% in 1 year. It's like stupid. Who is stupid right now? Those who buys dividend, or those who buy stocks without dividend? There is another thing. Why the company gives you money? Just the dividend. Just to stay in the company and to lock all your money there for the whole life. Okay? It's like these companies are fishing for you. how they can trap you, how can they fish you. Okay, they put the hook and they put small food. Okay, if you like cheese, they put cheese. If you like meat, they put meat. If you are vegetarian, they put some salad or potato. I don't know what's... Okay, now when you bite on that hook, you get trapped. You give them all your money. Okay, and they give you that bite, the small piece of chicken or cheese or salad or whatever. So why they are generous to give you 10% or 15 or 5% or 2%? Why they are generous? Because they know they will make money of you. They told you, okay, you are tired. You don't know how to invest in real estate, buying houses, hotels. You can't. And you don't have that enough money to buy this stuff. So we will do it for you. Stay there, sleep, and each quarter we give you a dividend. We give you some money. You are staying there, you do nothing. Now here is the problem with dividend. The problem with dividend is that it is taken from the price itself of the stock. If the stock is $10, they give you 10%, they take 10% of the stock. The next day, it will become $9. So they feed you from your own money. So where is the profit here? Okay? And almost all the stocks, dividend stock, they are into that range. They are exceptions. Where, here I'm telling you the good thing. The good thing is, if a stock is giving dividend, it must have capital gain each year. Okay? It should go up. But for me as a trader, I don't invest because I need my money. I go into the market, I do trades, I lose some money, but I make other money, but my account is growing, so I am making profit each year or each month. So I'm fine with that. Okay? I don't give my money to some companies and they lock it. They say, okay, you can sell your shares as you like. Yes, but for me, I'm not locking my money 3 months to get a little bit of this dividend. You know that dividend is given 4 times a year. At the end of each quarter, they will announce how much money they give you, and they give you the dividend. And if you buy this stock, you will see it in your broker account. You will see some money that's coming, and it's written dividend. If you are holding the stock for 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, or you are just holding the stock before the X date, they will give you the... But they don't like, you know, companies, they don't like people who trade dividend. Why? Because if you buy it before the X date, okay, they will give you the dividend, but the price is going down from the price that you bought. For example, you bought $10, they give you, for example, 25 cents. Okay? Now, 25 cents, but next morning you find the stock is $9.75. Okay? So they feed you from your own money. So it is not your $10, it becomes $10.25. No. It is $10 minus the dividend, which is 25 cents. It will be $9.75. Next day you find it $9.75, $9.60, $9.80. It means you lose money. And when you see your account, believe me, you will see after the X date, it means after they give you the dividend, you will see your account, you will find you lose money. And the money that you lost, later you will find it in your account. So here is my advice. My advice if you are really looking for investment, for dividend investment, you should have too much money. Because if you rely this on your life to get an income, you know, let's say you have $10,000, all your money is $10,000. You put it in the market for 1 year. They give you 1,000. So can you live with 1,000 the whole year? No. So it's just a little money. It's like tax money or something. It's not a big deal. Okay? So what you should do, you should find stocks that have capital gain each year. It means you see that stock, for example, this year was $10, last year was $10. Let's say give you just a simple example. 2010 it was $10. 2011 it is $13. 2011 or 12 it is $17. 2013 was $20, and now you think that it can go to $25. This is a stock. If it can give dividend, it's good, because you have capital gain and you have dividend. You have two things. But for you, the most important thing, believe me, it is the capital gain. Now for me, I don't look for dividend, because I don't want to lock my money for cheap. I give them my money the whole year. Let's say they give me 5%, 7%. The inflation in America here each year is 3%. So if you are having, let's say they give you 10%. Minus 3% of the inflation, it means you are getting only 7% of your money. Because the dollars is less value than last year. Okay? So if you are getting, for example, they say 3% with the inflation, you get no money. And if the price goes down, you lose money. So here, you stay the whole year, and then you are a loser. What do I advise you? I advise you to see stocks. You should search. This is the problem. If you want to do trading or investing, you should search for good stocks, and this takes time. It takes a good strategy. It is not easy, as you might think. It is not good. It is not just you go to stocks that give dividends, you find thousands, you choose 5 or 6, those that they give too much, like 10%, 20% or 50%. Some they give too much, 25%. And you ask yourself why. If you go to the chart, you find that they are losing money each year and the stock is going down. Okay? So this company maybe is going to bankruptcy, but they don't tell you. They let you buy more, and they advertise on the TV, online, and you find websites. They say to you, oh, okay, subscribe for free. Why do you think a company with a lot of people working, and they give you something for free? Oh, these stocks give excellent dividend, buy them. And they say, okay, it's free. It's free. There is no free thing in the market. Believe that or not, there is no. Whatever is advertised, there is something behind. Okay? Sometimes, and most of the time, online things, these brokers, these guys who teach like a dividend thing and something. I find someone who is teaching about dividend, and all his channel is about dividend. I challenge him. I say, okay, give me what you have bought all these years and tell me how much dividend you get, and give me the price of your stock. You are losing money. Oh, I am not trading. I am investing. Okay, you are investing. But if you are losing money, what's this investment crap that you do? And you have maybe hundreds or thousands of people are following you, and they become losers like you. I say, wake up. Try to find something that you can make money, because this guy, he doesn't, and he understands only how to invest in dividend, and he is a loser. He's not making money. Maybe his channel is giving, his YouTube channel from AdSense, Google AdSense, is giving him more money than his investment in stocks, and he shows some stocks. This I get 10%. This I get 5%. And then when I check online, I find that he lost 15% from last year to now, because it lost capital gain. For example, the stock was 20, now it is 17, and he told me that he is having a profit. I put 2 comments or 3 comments or 4 comments, and then I stopped. Why? Because there are some people who don't want to learn a new thing. Okay? They say, okay, I know something, let's continue all my life with this thing. If this thing is making you losing money, why you stay with a losing strategy or a losing way? Or you are stubborn. Stubbornness is very hard to cure. It's like a double disease. Someone who has a double disease, physical disease and psychological disease. In his mind, he is not okay. He is losing money, and he tells us that he is making money. Now, when I see his stocks and his dividend, I say, man, here is the thing. Yes, last year you bought a stock with $20. This year it is 17. You lose $3 for each share you buy, and they gave you 75 cents last year, but you lost $3. So you are losing money. Wake up. But people, I'm telling you, they are stubborn. They don't want to learn. Either they are young or old. They don't want to learn, and this is a problem in the market. If you want to invest, if you want to trade, you should learn daily. Daily you should learn new things. You go to online thing, you read a book, you read an article, learn new things. Okay? And try to make your knowledge more and more, and practice. And see if what you learn has an effect on your investment performance. Are you going better and better each year, or are you becoming worse and worse and worse each year? If you are becoming worse and worse, it's very easy to know. You should see your account. Is it going down or going up? If it is going up, you are in the right path. Just see your mistakes, correct your mistakes, and you will be okay. So this kind of dividend, believe me, a stock, and I see a lot of articles. Oh, in 10 years we get 13%. 10 years I get 13% of my money. Are you stupid? What does it mean? It means I get 1% each year for my money. It's like you have you buy a CD, or you put your money into a bank, like a saving account. They give you 50 cents for each $100. It means $0.50 per cent. What's this stupid thing that you are doing? You give them money, they make tons of money of your money. For example, a bank. If you put a saving account with 50 cents for each $100, it means $0.50%. And your money, they give a loan with 4%, 5%, 6%, 7%. And those who have bad credit card, they can give them a loan with 10 in credit cards. They can give because each bank has credit card and has a debit card. Okay, they have money like in credit and in debit. Okay, in credit they will give you the money, but if you don't pay in a month, they will crush you with 15%, 20%, 30%, 35%. I see some guys, they send me, oh, they have bad credit, so their credit card charged them 35%. Okay? So, why you give your money to the banks in order that they use against you or against other people? I would never do that. I would never open a saving account. I have opened before a saving account, and they say, how much you give me? They say 50 cents for each $100. I say, I wait 1 year, 12 months, 365 days. I'm just waiting. And then you give me 50 cents? For $100 I give you 50 cents? No. It's not my business. It's not the business I like. Okay? Why they don't give you a good percentage of your profit? The bank profit. They say a profit, the bank has 20% profit this year. Okay, give me some of your profit, and I give you my money, and you lend it to other people, and you give me profit. But they don't share revenues. You know, banks. You see their CEO, millions of dollars they get each year, and all the people that they work in the bank, they give the bonuses. The bonuses are so high. If you compare the bonuses of banks and you compare them with other companies, you get astonished. They are taking too much money from the profit of the company. Okay? Those, they get the money. But you put your money, you get nothing. And stop doing like a saving account and this CD and this kind of stupid things that the people do. They say, don't put your money into stock market. Put it here. You get 2%, 3% or 1% in the CD or the saving account, and you don't worry at all. Your money is coming to you, and you are safe. You are safe. When the inflation is 3%, even if they give you 1%, 2%, you are losing the value of your dollars that you give to the bank. You are losing. Even if they give you 1% or 2%, you are losing money. So try to understand that this kind of dividend is just a hook with a bait. When you get trapped, you get trapped for the whole year. And if you go to do like a CD or you go to buy bonds or something, okay, it's the same thing. Try to look for bonds, for example, which they give you interest rate. It's like dividend. Okay, it's the same thing. Now bonds, they give you, okay, we will give you 7% of your money, of the bonds. Give us a loan. Okay? You give the government or the municipal or the county or wherever, or the companies, you give them your money. They give you 7%. But the price of the bond, if it goes down, even they give you 7%, and you lose in the money, your principal, you lose 10%. You are losers. Okay? You lose money. Even with bonds, you lose money. And if the bonds, they issue other bond with, for example, 10%. The bond with 7% will go down. The price of the principal that you put is going down, down, down. No one buys it because it's not good. Why should I buy a bond with 7% when there is a bond with 10%? Why is that? Okay? Understand that these things, it is math. People in the banks or in the companies, they are using math to rip you off. Math is very simple. Okay? 1 plus 1 equals 2. So some people, they don't understand calculation, which is a very primitive thing in math. Calculation, for example, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now some people, when they put an investment, they put $2. Okay? Minus 1, they say it equals $3. I say to them, it's 2 minus 1, it doesn't equal 3, it equals 1. You understand math? You understand calculation? It's not math, it's primitive. It's kindergarten thing. Okay? 2 minus 1 equals 1. This is calculation. Very simple. Now, in advertisement, in dividend companies advertisement, they advertise all the way in online, in TV, in something, that they tell you that 2 minus 1 equals 3. Believe it, it's true. Now, if you believe them, you will get ripped off. That's it. It's so simple. If you don't believe me, do investment and let me know how much you are getting each year from dividend and from the stock that you bought. REITs or mutual funds or wherever it is, it means when we have a dividend. Exception, when the stock is going up, you can make money. If it doesn't go up, you are losing money. Believe it or not, study, learn. Here we have, if you don't have money to buy books, go to the library, public library, go there, take time, each time you go, 1 hour or 2, read books, read what is dividend, and read about economics, read about things, and try to get some knowledge. And when you understand the thing, you will never be ripped off again, and you will wake up and see. Okay, I will tell you something very important. If you want to invest $10,000, you can buy a home with $10,000. You put $5,000 like a down payment. Let's say you pay $1,000 for your home. Okay? You rent it. You find some people online, Craigslist or anything. You rent it. We have 3-bedroom, 500 or 400. You will pay the home and you get nice profit. That's it. Okay? This is an investment. You are getting money, and you have, and the house is paid from the guys who rent the house. You lease them the house. You are making money. You have the house and you are making money, and they pay your house. Okay? This is an investment. But giving the money to some people, they take fees, they take some of the money, and they give you a dividend, and by the next year you will do your calculation, you find that you are losing money, or it is the same money. It's the same. For me, it's the same. Okay? So, hope you understand this lesson of dividend. If still you have doubts, if you are investing in dividend, please give me your examples of your account and tell me how you are doing. Is your account going up or going down? Okay? Maybe some they do good investment. If I'm telling you, if you check it for sure, if the stock goes up, believe me, you are making money. If the stock stays the same and go down, you are losing money. Believe it or not, just go to your account and check. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, just ask.